excited that we got to team up with Oasis Church and Fearless Church out here in LA and bless all those who are impacted by the fires. As you can see, we brought our 53-foot trailer completely full, 28 pallets of food and drink, so that we can get back into the community and help those who have had a lot of loss. So thank you, our family, for all you do. God bless you.
Days a year.
You said you loved me, but what does that mean? Would you cry if I were to leave? In my aching hands running down your spine, you said you loved me. Wait for me by the wall on the first rain of June, and I'll be there with all the letters I ever wrote for you, for you. Let's pack our bags and head to the Rockies, babe. 'Cause you and I getting lost in open spaces. When you wake, I'll be right there, babe. When you shake, I'll be shaking with you, honey. And when you get tired of this town, let me know and we can go somewhere brand new. 'Cause when I lay my head to rest, I hope that it's always next to you. When you run, when you're gone, no, I'll be waiting for you, dear. Cry. Now I'm right here, my baby, baby, know that I need you in my life. The morning comes, creeping in your bed. Just hold me close to your foot. When you get tired of this town, let me know we can go somewhere brand new. 'Cause when I lay my head to rest, I hope that it's always next to you. When you run, when you're gone, no, I'll be waiting for you, dear. When you get tired of this town, let me know and we can go somewhere brand new. When I lay my head to rest, I hope that it's always next to you. Always next to you, baby.
going on, people of the world? I am officially done with my workout, and we're all ready and dressed for sushi and Porsche riding. I'm excited. I'm very proud of my brother. Now, let's go pick up my mom, and then we're going to my brother's house. Okay, 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 okay.
How do I breathe?